In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PayPal money hold and get access to your funds faster. First, log into your PayPal account and check the message under your PayPal balance. PayPal usually shows a Know Your Options link that explains why the money is on hold and whether you can speed up the release. PayPal says holds can happen if you're a new seller, you haven't sold in a while, or there's unusual activity on the account. Next, open Activity and find the transaction that's on hold. If you sold a physical product, choose Get Your Money and add tracking information. PayPal says eligible held payments are usually released about 24 hours after delivery is confirmed by an approved shipping carrier. If you sold a service or digital product, open the same transaction and update the order status to completed. PayPal says eligible payments for services or virtual items are typically released 7 days after you mark the order as completed. Also remember that some holds can still last up to 21 days in rare cases, even after you complete the steps, especially if PayPal notices unusual selling patterns. To reduce future holds, keep your account verified, maintain good selling activity, and respond quickly to buyers. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.